Did you know?
Did you know that there are several types of dessert? A dessert is usually a sweet food that is eaten after a meal. The term dessert is widely used for puddings, custards, gelatins, ice creams, pastries, pies, cakes, tarts, biscuits, cookies, sweet soups, fruit salad, and dried nuts. Many desserts contain fruits due to their natural sweetness. Dried fruit and honey that were used early on to sweeten desserts were later replaced by the popular sugar. Some other words used instead of the word dessert are pudding, sweet and after. Many countries are known for their typical desserts. There are many appearances, textures, and tastes of desserts. There are even dessert wines. These are sweet wines typically served with dessert. Dessert is often the most fun and memorable part of a meal because it's the last thing you remember eating, especially if you have a sweet tooth. So, now you know!